Sorkar Jilla and Negasantrik Naila Aja Arpo Klapente Sorkar Khlem Khang Ekadi Thied Dohsniang Baka Khlem Khang Ru Jingbam Dohsniang Hakajala Umunjurang Ba Bandrap Sorkar Jilla Ba Prestun Tensong Ulaitu Baka Jinkhang Bandrung Gisniang Kalongtang Nakaweka District Shakaweka District Banakaweka Jala Shakaway Park Jala Uba Prestun Ulaitu Baka Kaipot Chikinamuna Jonkisniang Kibala Pates Chaguati Kimpat Poi Sorkar Jala.
They said that the government has issued a notification that you cannot eat pork or you cannot buy pork. I wanted to remind all of you, I wanted to make sure that the citizens of the state knows that no such notification issued by the government or by the veterinary department. And you can still eat pork, but our advisories was till today is to make sure that when you cook properly, not half cook properly, still you can eat, but we don't allow interstate movement, we don't allow inter-district movement. Yes, the order was issued, I think 2 months back, where the interstate and inter-district movement is not allowed. But within the district, still they can consume pork or they can slaughter pig.